This is Puppets by Arlie. I'm Arlie, and this is the unboxing of the Huber Marionettes Puppy Marionette. So I have an interesting relationship with this little puppy marionette. When I was a little kid, my parents took me to see a production of a touring show that was bound for Broadway, but never ended up going to Broadway, called Busker Alley. I'm a tap dancer, and it was a big deal because Tommy Tune was starring in this show. And the music was amazing, the dance was amazing, but something surprised us. There was a character played by Phillip Huber of a little dog marionette. And this little dog marionette stole the show. Years later, when we talked about the show, we didn't talk about Tommy Tune. We talked about how this little dog was so alive and so adorable. Well, years later, I went to the O'Neill Puppetry Conference and studied under Phillip Huber with the Marionette track. Phillip Huber is probably the most famous marionette puppeteer alive today. He's been in movies, he's performed on stage, he's performed on TV. It was a real honor to get to meet him and to meet Taffy, which is the name of this dog character. Phillip Huber is an amazing puppeteer, an amazing teacher, and an amazing builder. So it's really a special thing to be able to get to experience his puppetry and be able to own a puppet that he's designed. So I guess we should unbox this puppy. Here it is, the big moment. Of course, Phillip Huber is one of the most detail-oriented and perfect builder ever, and so his packages are obviously completely neatly packaged. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh! Taffy's pick of the litter. Oh, and there's Taffy and all her puppies. Okay, let's meet this puppy. Gosh. Oh, a birth certificate of this puppet. Oh, this little puppet was born on August 1st, 2022 and has been adopted by me. Oh, look at this! With the little seal with the Phillip Huber Marionettes icon. Cool! So cute! Oh, training video. Oh, okay. So it comes with the extra video. Probably shows you how to string it and how to puppeteer it. Awesome. Phillip Huber is a great teacher of marionette puppetry. Karen, training for your puppy. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, questions and assistance. He's so amazing. He is very receptive to new puppeteers. And he's really helping keep marionettes alive in the U.S. Look at this! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Oh, with a little brush. Oh my goodness! Oh, he's so little and cute. Or maybe it's a she. Oh, this one comes pretty strong. Okay. I love it. Now, Phillip Huber. Oh, and it's signed. Oh my gosh. Well, Phillip Huber is definitely the biggest movie star I know. I love it. So he likes to use these paddle controls, which are really wonderful because you can put specialty strings in additional places. You just have to drill a hole and string it up. Oh, so cute. Oh, apparently 326. I don't know. Is this puppy number 326? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's like a new toy, all twist tied in. Oh, I love it. One thing about the Taffy dog character I've always loved is it's a female dog. I feel like so many characters are always just automatically boys. It's nice to have a star who's a girl. Okay. This is a super professional level puppet. It's weighted perfectly. So, you know, if you're a new builder or a new puppeteer, it's a wonderful puppet to have. So it can get you started off on what a professional marionette is going to move like and behave like. And then, so it comes twisted. So we're going to undo. I don't know what I'm going to name this little dog puppet. Maybe put in the comments if you want to help me name this little dog puppet. Okay, so hanging string, and looks like we got a manipulation string for the tail, and also ears. How sweet. Oh my gosh. Wow. The legs have multiple joints in them and are nicely weighted. Oh, and look at the tiny little paws. How sweet. So, if you're looking for a marionette that's top-notch quality, you should try this little Huber Marionettes Puppy. I'll put a link down below of where to find it, and tell them that Puppets by Arlie sent you. Thanks for watching!